Welcome to Chef and Lee. My name is Marco Tavola, and today we're gonna have a cooking class together, and I'll cook for you the carbonara. Carbonara is the typical dish from Rome. Lumberjacks cooking or their very frugal kind of a pasta up to the Apennines in the middle of the forest. That's where it comes from, the cool, the carbonara. And here we go with the recipe. First of all, I want to tell you that for all our cooking class, we're going to use my kitchen. That means it's a very simple kitchen. It's not a professional. So just to show you that anybody could do it. Here we go. Black pepper. We need to have a guanciale, which is the pork chick. It's not the bacon. Remember this. Very important. And I'm going to make a carbonara for 2 people. So we need to have like 2 eggs because I'm going to get the yolks of these eggs. And pecorino. Pecorino is not a Parmesan cheese. Be careful of this. And then I suggest you rumo pasta. Here you go. Rumo. And don't forget, it's made with spaghetti, the carbonara. You can even use any kind of a short pasta, but this is the one I suggest you. You can even order by Amazon. Okay? Let's do it. Pan right there and start boiling the pasta. With a very sharp knife, we're gonna start now to get our guanciale and do it like this. We're gonna cut the cotenna, which is the skin of the pork, like this, and slice the guanciale. There you go. Slice by slice. There you go. Just giving a sample like this. And cut it. At the end, you will have this. There you go. Look how beautiful it is. Guanciale. It's much different from a bacon because this one is much lighter than the bacon. Okay, very important. The skin you already cut is this one here. Take the pan and put this inside. Why? Because this is going to be melting. It's going to produce the fat. So no olive oil. Nothing, no butter, nothing, but just this. And put all of this inside of the pan. There you go, like this. That's what it's gonna be. And now let's start to make our sauce. So 2 people, okay, 2 yolks. Okay, there you go. This one. That's another one. Two yolks inside. And now, we're gonna put some pecorino here. Look. And then how much is gonna be, about you guys, how much better, how much more stronger you prefer the taste. There you go. Some black pepper here. And now we add some water, hot water. There you go. 1 and 2. It's going to be a little bit more dense. Look, like this. Look our guanciale. How is it going? So well. Look how much. See that? This is the fat. There you go. After a while, it's time to cut off the skin here, the cotenna. 1 and 2. We don't need any more fat because look at this, how much we have it. That our pasta cooking time, as you can read, is at 12 minutes. But we're gonna put the pasta into the boiling water for 10 minutes. The other 2 minutes, we'll put the pasta into the pan. In this way, the pasta will absorb better the taste of our guanciale. And here we are. Usually I don't put any salt into the pasta because the guanciale is still very salty. But don't get the pasta stick together. I'm gonna put some olive oil. So now, resuming, we have our pasta boiling now, we have our guanciale is ready, and we have our sauce made by 2 yolks, some pecorino, and some black pepper, and adding some water from the boiling pasta. And now we are ready to put the pasta into the pan with the guanciale. Here we are back. After 10 minutes, we're gonna have the Roma pasta is perfectly cooked. Here we go. We in Italy we say if anybody in the United States overcook a pasta, a chef in Italy will die. Now, the pasta is here, 2 minutes more, and we're gonna add our sauce, but out of the fire. We turn off the fire, and we will add our sauce.
This thing called love, it cries in a cradle all night, it swings, it jives, it shakes all over like a jellyfish. I kinda like it, crazy little thing called love. There goes my baby.
Now we're gonna put
She
some
knows how to rock and roll. She drives me crazy.
more black pepper as a decoration around, even on top, and some pecorino cheese like this. This is the way how we do carbonara here in Rome. Look how beautiful it is. Hope you like this video and hope to see you for the next cooking class in Italy. Ciao from Marco Tavola.
Take a long ride on my motorbike until I'm ready.
I can die for this. No. I'm ready to die.
Gotta be cool, relax, get hip, get on my tracks, take a backseat, hitchhike, take